how can a $6 stock pay 4 times the dividend yield compared to a $25 stock that's only paying 2%?
Well, they can do whatever they want to do, but I wouldn't like a stock that is paying that kind of dividend. That would concern me because, I know this is kind of counterintuitive to the way we would think. The lower quality, the lower credit rating, the more financial difficulty, the less market share they have, the less competitiveness they have, losing ground in the industry, whatever it might be. The more that happens, the smaller the company is as well, the more volatile it is, the more they're likely to pay a higher dividend. It is like a car dealer advertising a price of a car at a very low price, chances are at a loss to the dealership. Now, everybody that comes in, they say, "Oh, we don't have, we can't offer that anymore," because they only had one car that was fitted out like they said that they had that cheap price on. It is a loss leader. They were willing to take the loss to bring other people in. A lot of companies that are poorer in quality understand that the only way people are going to buy their stock if you give them a reason to take the risk on you. So the reason to take a risk on a company like that is, hey, I'm getting paid 6% on a dividend. For 6%, I'll take the risk. There are a lot of people, there are mutual funds even, that will take risk on companies like that. So it's not a matter of how can they do it mathematically. Obviously, mathematics has little to do with it. So we might look at the arithmetic and say, wow, something's wrong with this. That's because something's wrong with this. So, but the board is saying, hey, we're going to pay this outrageous dividend. It's going to all wash out because we're going to flow more money into the stock. So that's the main reason it happens. So you kind of stay away from that. That's why I don't like real estate investment trusts. I mean, you can find a real estate investment trust right now, pay you 13% dividend a year. Who wouldn't want that? Well, it's great until they go bankrupt. Then you wouldn't want it. And so you've just got to be careful of those things. Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.